This is our new drip coffee maker by Taylor Swoden. I love the shape of it. It's square and it fits nicely in our kitchen area. My favorite part of this coffee maker is that it has a button for strong, if you want it stronger. It also has a button for cleaning, and it'll decalcify the coffee machine for you. It's obviously got a nice little display. Another one of my favorite things is it's got a reusable filter, so I don't have to buy those paper filters anymore. The 12 cup is just enough for us. It brews quick and makes a real nice cup of coffee. The other thing I like about this is if you want a cup before it's finished, it has the ability to stop dripping while you're pouring your coffee. So I highly recommend this coffee maker.